Grianstad, the Irish word for solstice. The word Grianstad comes from the Irish word grian, meaning sun, and stad, meaning a stopping or standing still, describing the moment when the sun appears to pause in the sky at the turning of the year. Here we pause to honour the returning light and the profound symbolism found in embracing both illumination and darkness. From a depth psychology perspective, this turning point also invites us inward, into the landscape of the psyche. The darkness mirrors our inner life, those hidden, forgotten, or disowned aspects of self that reside in the shadow. As consciousness gently turns towards our inner depths, what has been unseen can be met with curiosity rather than fear. In honouring the shadow, we allow a more whole and authentic sense of self to emerge. Just as the light is reborn from the longest night, awareness arises through our willingness to dwell with the darkness, carrying forward its wisdom into renewed consciousness. In Irish folklore and mythology, the Grianstad is likewise a sacred threshold. Ancient sites such as Newgrange, Brunaboyne, were aligned to capture the first light of the returning sun at the winter solstice, a symbol of rebirth, renewal, and continuity between the living and the ancestral realms. The solstice thus marks a liminal moment of transformation, where memory, myth, and spirit converge, reminding us that light is born, not in spite of darkness, but because of it. Grianstad, the Irish word for solstice.